This is choosing a graph to fit a narrative. For this, it's very important that you read the x and the y axis very carefully. This one, the x-axis is time, and the y-axis is the distance to Mark's house. Lucy is delivering a pizza to Mark's house. She drives at a constant speed toward the house until she hits a traffic jam and has to stop for several minutes. So think about this. Distance to Mark's house. Is she at Mark's house right now? No, she's delivering a pizza to his house, so she is very far away from his house, going towards it. So the only possibilities are these three, okay? And she is driving towards his house at a constant speed. So that means she's getting closer to his house. So this is the only one that has her being far away from his house and then slowly getting closer. Then stopping because of the traffic jam, and then she starts up again and drives at a faster pace than before. So she's getting closer to his house in a quicker time. So we want to pick this one. Greg is working out by riding his bike. So this is speed and time. He starts by biking slowly at a constant rate. So the speed is the same. It is constant. So it has to be either this one or this one because those are the only two that have the speed being constant, here and here. This one has the speed decreasing and this one has the speed decreasing. Then it says he gradually picks up speed. So this one picks up, this one also picks up. Then he maintains his peak for the rest of the workout. So this one has him staying at the same speed the rest of the workout. This one has him continuing to increase. So we want to pick this one. Let's try another one. This one is the distance to school versus time. Laura is walking to school at a constant rate. So the distance to school, she has to be pretty far away from school because she's trying to get to school. Then she stops to talk to her friend, and then she continues to school but walks at a slower rate than before. This is the only one that has her getting closer to school as time goes on. This one has her going further away from school, and further away from school. Because the distance at school would be 0. So she's getting closer, she stops, and then she gets closer but slower. Alan is driving at a constant speed. So this is the only one that has him at a constant speed to start, because this has the speed decreasing, decreasing, and this one has the speed increasing. So let's make sure it works. He speeds up to pass a truck. After passing the truck, he exits and then slows down. So we want to pick this one.